Let's talk about how to make 10K a month online without learning complicated tech skills, without spending years building an audience, and without any of the BS that fake gurus are teaching you. I'm Runzo, and I've helped hundreds of students get results like going from zero to over $30,000 a month using one specific AI agent. Today, I'm going to show you exactly which AI agent and how it works. But here's the thing, there's one mistake 90% of people make with AI that keeps them broke. And I'll reveal what that is at the end of this video. So here's how this AI agent actually makes you money. It closes actual paying clients automatically. And this is honestly the most game-changing thing I'm going to share with you today. So look, just a few years ago, I had $4 in my big account. Asking my mom for Chipotle money, I was failing at everything online until I discovered this AI agent. And I'll tell you more about that journey in a minute. But let me show you exactly how this works with a real example. So my AI messages this personal trainer, Bo Clausen, saying, "My brother, love your content, like awesome work. What type of clients are you looking for?" So notice how my AI is not salesy at all. You're just DMing like a normal friend, like a normal human being. Not some pre-planned chunky paragraph pitch. Just, "My brother, send, love your content, send, like awesome work, send. What type of clients are you looking for? Send." It seems super spontaneous, so prospects keep their guard down. So then Bo says, "Training clients." And then my AI says, "That's awesome, Bo. We work with a ton of coaches who target a similar niche. Oh, by the way, I'm starting a new case study program, taking 5 coaches and helping them grow and monetize their brand to 10K a month in the next 100 days. Cool if I ask you a couple questions to see if I could help." And by the way, I'm not going to explain the whole psychology of this entire script because quite frankly, that would take me hours upon hours. But just trust me on this Bo guy pays me $9.97 a month at the end of this DM conversation. So then Bo says, "Sure, man." So then my AI asks a series of questions. "Okay, fantastic, my man. Where's your income now? Where do you want it to be at in the next 3 to 6 months?" Bo says he's making $1,800 a month roughly, and he wants to be at that 2 to 10K a month. 5K would be really comfortable. So then my AI says, "Gotcha, my brother. So what would you say you need help with right now?" So then Bo says, "I would just be starting from ground zero, so just getting clients online, I guess." So then my AI says, "Totally understand, my brother. Is this a priority for you or more of a later thing?" He says, "Yeah, it's a priority." So then my AI says, "Perfect. When you're ready, just have a read through this, then hit me back with a reply saying I'm in, out, or any questions, okay?" And then if you're wondering what this document my AI sends right afterwards, is basically just the details of my service and the price. But don't worry, I'm gonna break down more about this document and all the details about it later on in this video. So just bear with me. So then Bo says, "All right, well, I think I'm gonna do it." So then my AI says, "Boom, can't wait to crush this with you, legend. You're still one of the first 5, just made it in. Just to make sure you're not gonna get back to tomorrow and say you changed your mind, right?" And then Bo says, "As long as you don't do it to me." And so my AI sends him over the invoice to pay me and then match up the names, Bo Clausen, Bo Clausen. This guy pays me $9.97 a month. And I didn't have to do anything because my AI agent closed him all by itself. I never got on a sales call. The AI agent literally handled everything. And this isn't theory, this is proven. Students like Gabe Milagrito went from $0 to $80,000 a month profit in a couple months because this AI agent was closing deals automatically. By the way, if you're enjoying these tips so far and want more videos like this about making money online with AI agents, hit the like button so I know. Now you might be wondering, where do these clients come from in the first place? Well, here's the thing. This AI agent finds your ideal clients without you doing any prospecting. Here's what I mean. Most people waste hours scrolling through social media trying to find potential clients. That's complete bullshit and a waste of time. This AI agent searches through millions of businesses and identifies exactly who needs your services. It analyzes their social media, their website, their current marketing, and determines if they're a perfect fit. Then it creates a list of warm prospects and starts conversations with them automatically. Students like Paul Wilkinson use this exact system and he's making over $30,000 a month because the AI agent finds and closes clients for him. Now I mentioned earlier that I went from $4 in my bank account to over $100,000 a month, and this AI agent system is exactly what changed everything for me. But there's more to this story that I'll share in just a minute. Now before I show you what happens after you close these clients, if you are someone who wants to accelerate your results even more, make sure you click the link in my description to watch my free 15-minute training on the best AI online business to start as a beginner. This is the exact same system that I share with my students, but I'm sharing it for free for a limited time only. Now with that out of the way, here's what happens after you close these clients. This AI agent handles automated fulfillment that requires zero work from you. Once the AI agent closes a client, it connects them with expert service providers who handle all the technical work. You might charge a client $2,500 a month for these automated messaging services, pay your service provider $500 a month to manage everything, and keep $2,000 profit. This is exactly how Yassine hit $35,000 in a single month while still in high school. Victoria Weaver hit a $12,000 a month. Justin Santos landed a $12,000 a month client. The AI agent handles the sales, service providers handle delivery, and you collect the cash. It's honestly beautiful when you see it all working together, and I'll show you exactly how to set this up later. Now here's a business model that changes everything. This AI agent builds recurring monthly revenue instead of one-time payments. Every client the AI agent closes pays you monthly for ongoing automated messaging services. So instead of constantly hunting for new sales, you build a foundation of predictable income that grows every month. This is why students are hitting 30K, 50K, even over $100,000 months, because they're stacking recurring clients on top of each other with this AI agent. Paul Wilkinson landed a 13,148 profit client and is now making over $30,000 a month recurring. The AI agent finds the clients, closes the deals, manages fulfillment, and creates recurring revenue all automatically. And here's why this scales beyond anything you've seen before. This AI agent provides unlimited scalability. Traditional business models hit a ceiling because you become the bottleneck. But with this AI agent, you can handle unlimited clients because the AI agent does the sales and service providers handle delivery. We even have a 14-year-old student, Braden, make money his first month because this AI agent removes all the complexity. The AI agent works while you're in school, while you're sleeping, while you're doing whatever you want. And remember that story I mentioned about going from $4 to $100,000 a month? Today, I make over $100,000 a month and have complete financial freedom, all because of this one AI agent system. But here's that mistake I mentioned at the beginning that 90% of people make with AI. The biggest mistake people make is they try to use AI tools like ChatGPT to write better emails or create content, but they're still doing all the work themselves. This AI agent I'm showing you is completely different. It runs your entire business for you. It's not a tool you use, it's a system that runs without you. Now at this point of the video, you might be wondering what's the exact step-by-step system to set up this AI agent system and what's the technical setup? That's why your next step is to watch this video where I'll show you the exact technical setup of this AI agent, how to configure it step-by-step and break down the complete 4-step system to hit 10K a month with AI agents. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in that training.